Hi guys, Vern here, and today we're going to do a review with magnetic lashes. So are you one of those people who wish you had thicker lashes? Because basically your eyelash is not consistent, just like me. Or are you one of those people who takes 5 to 15 minutes just to put on your eyelashes and then end up not putting it at all because it will not stick? So let me introduce to you the magnetic lashes from Glamnetic. So this is basically a magnetic lashes with 6 magnets on it, and it's not the one that you see in the market that you have to put on together so it will stick together. This is paired with a liquid magnetic liner, so you just have to put on, put off, put on, put off. It's easy peasy, just like this one. As you can see, let me fix that. There you go. I'm still a newbie in this one, so... But I want to show you that you can just put it on and take off just like that. So for this one, basically the mission of Glamnetic is to make our life easier. According to their website, they want that beauty is just effortless. Because in reality, everyday makeup routine takes far too long. At Glamnetics, we value efficient and finding ways to make women's lives easier. We believe in investing shortcut and finding easier ways for our customer to look beautiful. And I appreciate that. Like for me, a person who always have to do makeup, because I love makeup. I do. I love eyelashes also. Because my eyelashes are basically not existing, I tried my best to put on false eyelashes, but I'm not an expert of putting them on. And at the end of the day, you will see that the side of my eyelash or the inner part of my eyelash is already like unstable. Like it's already not sticking on the glue, and I cannot bring the glue every day. That's just too hard, and it takes time to put it on. And on my job, it's basically I have like few minutes to go to the bathroom and then my lunch. I love my lunch, so I don't want to spend my lunch just fixing my eyelashes because I'm not good at it. So when I saw this Glamnetic, it felt like it's heaven sent. It's easy peasy fix that I don't have to spend 5 to 10 minutes just to fix my eyelash. So now that they have this, I want to try to put it on and put it on test with this hair blow dryer, and this will stick and not move even though it's windy. Because usually we're running errands, we're going to places, next thing you know, you're opening the window of your car and want some wind on your face, and you don't want your eyelashes flying all over the place or basically it going to places. So today we're gonna make a review of this one and see if the eyeliner is worth it, at the same time if the eyelash will stick on our eyes. So let's go, girls! This Glamnetic Lash has a round shape, so each of the individual fiber are roughly the same length all the way around. And this is made from pure premium mink from a soft, fluttery look. Those magnetic eyelashes will give you instant come-to-bed eyes. And also, as you can see, this container that they already have also that you're going to use to save your eyelash. Because the strips over here, as you can see, those are magnetic. So it's going to make sure that your eyelash is still curly and will still be intact when you put it on your eyelash. As you can see, this is the Glamnetic Liquid Magnetic Eyeliner, and as you can see, it's already faded out over here. The covering of it is not the best, but the liquid eyeliner on it is really dark that I love it. Like it's not that gonna fade, and the tip of it is acceptable. I wish it's gonna be like thicker, but I guess because they make it thick because they are asking for us to put it thicker when we put the eyeliner, so the magnetic strip will stick to it longer. So as you can see, without the magnetic lashes or false lashes, my eyelashes is not existing at all. So that's why I love using fake lashes or magnetic lashes, but it's been a struggle for me to look for one. So before putting on your magnetic lashes, I would recommend that you curl your lashes first and use a mascara so your eyelash and magnetic lashes will look as one. And this is how it looks like when I just have mascara and curl my eyelash. So now we're gonna use this liquid magnetic liner that will help the magnetic lashes stick on our eyeline. So I usually put a wing eye when I'm doing eyeliner, and hopefully this works. I'm gonna try to combine it with a little eyeliner, so I'm not gonna use as much because I only need the magnetic liner on a top coat of my eyelash, and I don't want to overuse this because this is what makes this magnetic lash stick, and I don't want to run out of this. Beside putting on this liquid eyeliner, you should put it thick enough for the strip of the magnet. And you have to remember that our eyeliners are just sister and not twins. So it's okay sometimes if they're not the same. But you have to make sure they're even though. And they almost, not the same though, almost look alike. Okay? So now we'll see the magic and see if this eyelash, this magnetic lash that I have, will stick on my eyeliner. And look how pretty is it. It's super cheap. And now a super nice packaging. So I'm trying my best to be super gentle on it. Some people like using the tweezer for putting their eyelash. I'm used to putting my eyelash using my hands because for some reason my hands are sometimes shaky and not that stable. But I like using my fingers for it though. It's easier for me, but some people prefer the other way. Either way is fine though. So here we go. Oh my goodness. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. I can't believe that it sticks super easy. So it takes me like a few seconds to put it because I'm trying to make sure that it's not like over showing on top. So you have to make sure that you put enough eyeliner, the magnetic eyeliner, so the rest of the top of the eyelash will not be showing. I'm so excited to see the whole thing. I'm like right now on my left side, I'm already loving it. And voila, this is the final look of this one. Oh my gosh, it's so glamorous and I love it. I feel so extra, like I look so drag, but oh goodness, I love that. I love looking extra. I feel much more girly and prettier, and even like for me, even without like my foundation or my lipstick or my blush on, if I have eyelash, I'm good. I feel like I'm so pretty and extra. That's it. But before that, I want to put it on test and see if this eyelash will move and budge if we go outside and have a heavy wind outside, and we don't want our eyelashes to be flying all over the place, and that will be a big drastic moment for us. And for that, I'm gonna use my blow dryer, and we'll see if this one will stick or it will just fly away. So wait a sec, I'm just gonna plug in my hair dryer. So now I'm ready, and let's see if this one will fly away or just stick with it. 1, 2, 3. How was it? Did it move? I'm like, my vision is a bit blurry right now, but it did not move. It's still there. Oh my goodness. It's fine. This one moves over here, but the rest was stay intact. Probably because I use like a liquid eyeliner here instead of the magnetic one, because I don't want to use it a lot because I'm trying to save it. But overall, it still sticks there, and it did not budge at all. Like, it budged at this part, but that was my part. But I think if I just use all the magnetic liner over there, oh my goodness, this is such a problem solver for all of us. Even though we went outside and go partying, or we go on travel cruise and we're outside, this will not fly away. This will stick as long as you use magnetic liner, the liquid magnetic liner. Sorry. So for me, because I'm saving it, I use liner. But if you want to go outside and you think it's going to be windy outside, make sure that you use all the magnetic liquid liner, and this will not budge or move. This one moves. That's my fault. But overall, it's 2 thumbs up and 100% I prove that it's not gonna fly away. So hopefully you like this one, guys. How was it? So their lashes are ranging between $27.99 to $29.99, and then the liquid magnetic liner is also costing $37.99. I know it's a bit pricey, but for the result that you're gonna get and for the time that you're gonna save, it's worth the money. Because you know what, you can always earn your money back, but your time, you cannot return on the time that you already spent. That one, you already lost that. So the easier you put on your makeup and your eyelashes, it's much more better. So this will make your life easier. And I'm not pushing you to buy this. If you cannot afford this, there's always like false eyelashes that you can use to glue, but it takes time to master it. But if you're like me, who wants to put your makeup easier and no hustle, then I'm gonna stick with this, because I think this can last longer than 30 days, because supposedly this will only last for 30 days. But I think if you take care of it and wear it occasionally, not like every day, if you wear it every day, then I would think that it will only last for 30 days. But if you wear this like on occasion, or you will buy another pair for something that you're gonna wear for every day, or find their sale, because right now they have 20% off, then you're good. Like, you can use it every day, no matter when, how, or where you're gonna go, what event is it. You just have to wear this to feel extra, and your confidence will be boosted. Hopefully you like this video and it helps you decide what you want for your eyelashes. And please like and subscribe my channel. And if you have any questions or any comments, just put it in a comment bar. And please follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Once again, this is Vern, your friendly Pinay makeup lover, signing out. Bye guys!